Welcome to lesson number 4, Pentaho Analyzer. With Analyzer, users can create in-depth data analysis that allow intuitive investigation of data through an array of data visualizations and charts. During this lesson, you will learn how to create and save a simple Analyzer report. From the Pentaho User Console, we'll begin on the Home perspective. Click on the Create New button, then select the Analysis Report option. If you have content already open or are in another perspective of the User Console, you can also create a new Analyzer report using the File menu on the menu bar at the top of the User Console. In the Select Data Source dialog box, go ahead and select My Sales Source as the data source. If you'd like to learn more about how to create a data source, please see our lesson Creating and Connecting to Your Data Source. At this point, you can either select the data source by double-clicking it or simply selecting and clicking OK. Notice the design panel consists of a field panel distributed into dimensions and measures. Measures consist of the numeric data that can be calculated and is depicted in the list with blue triangles. Dimensions are different aspects of the calculated data depicted with the stacked squares icon. For instance, sales can very often be calculated based on time or location. In this example, sales represents your measured data or data that can be calculated. Time and location represents dimensions or different aspects of your sales data. With Analyzer, you can look at multiple aspects of your calculated data. Let's begin by dragging your sales measure to the measure drop region. You'll notice that your measure drop region has a ruler's icon just above the drop area. Once you drop sales into the measure area, you'll have one calculated value that is the sum of all your sales data. Now drag the territory dimension to the row dimension drop area. You'll see your sales distributed across 4 different territories. Now drag the year dimension to the column dimension drop area. You'll see a table that represents sales totals intersected at territory and year. To give greater differentiation to your grid data, you can conditionally format the measured data to make the high sales values display in green. This can be accomplished by clicking the small arrow next to the measure name on the design pane. You can also drill down dimensional hierarchies by double-clicking a dimension member. As you drill down, you will see the sales data become more granular based on the country and state levels, which are part of the market's dimension. Now it's time to save your analysis view. Click on the disk icon in the toolbar. Navigate to the Steel Wheels directory by selecting the root directory from the location drop-down, then double-click on Public Directory. Then double-click again, this time on Steel Wheels directory. Name your report My Sales Report. Now we can easily convert this report from a grid and table analysis to a meaningful chart visualization. Analyzer has a wide variety of visualizations to best represent your data. For our example today, we choose the stacked column chart. Click on the down arrow next to our chart selector and select Stacked Column. You can see that the numbers are now represented in separate columns for each state. You can quickly and visually assess your sales leaders for each year. Click on the Save As icon in the toolbar and save this view as My Sales Chart. Congratulations! You've now created your first analysis grid and your first chart visualization. To find out more information about the powerful Pentaho platform, try another lesson or contact Pentaho and start your free proof of concept with the expertise of a Pentaho sales engineer and your data. To do so, contact us at pentaho.com.